This training video reviews the renaming function in IBMS. As described in IBMS-IM-2, IBMS uses a set of 4 categories to identify every test group. These categories are company, region, site, and string by default. We will show you how to rename them in this video. To rename any category, open the Inventory Management window. You cannot rename any category if it creates a conflict with another existing category at the same level. For example, you cannot rename the site Los Angeles to Santa Clara, since Santa Clara already exists under California. But you can rename Portland to Santa Clara because it is in a different region. The main function of renaming IBMS is to correct for misspellings or edit names after a transfer conflict. Please note that you cannot use renaming to move around strings. You must be sure that all test results based on the current structure are transferred from your analyzer to IBMS before renaming. There are 3 ways to open a renaming tool for company, region, and site. You can use the renaming buttons at the bottom of the window. The button will change to reflect the selected category, whether it is company, region, or site. You can also perform a right-click on the category you wish to rename. This opens a menu similar to the bar on the bottom. The final option is to simply double-click on the item you want renamed. Any of these actions will open a renaming window. Enter a new name in the field and click OK. The new name is carried over IBMS. For example, open test results and see that the name of the company has changed. Renaming a string is done by editing the string configuration. In Inventory Management, select the string to be renamed and open the Edit String function. This can be done by double-clicking on a selected string, using the Edit String button at the bottom of the Inventory Management window, or by opening the menu with a right-click and selecting Edit String. In the Edit Battery String window, enter a new name in the name field, and save the changes. The new string name is now used by IBMS, as you can see when you open test results. You have now redefined the name of your string identifying components in IBMS. You will need to transfer that changes to the analyzer. Please refer to IBMS-IM-1 for more details on communication between IBMS and the EC Series analyzer. Connect your analyzer and using the transfer function, click on Transfer to Analyzer. Transfer the string configurations affected by the renaming in your analyzer. Because the structure based on the previous name still exists in the analyzer, you should also clean up your analyzer to avoid confusion. Please refer to the EC Series Analyzer's user manual for a complete description of the deletion procedure. Keep in mind that a string configuration cannot be deleted if there are test results it is associated with. You will have to delete all test results using the structure with its previous name first. You will then be able to delete the corresponding string configurations. By keeping your EC Series Analyzer organized, you will prevent accidental transfer of test results based on a previous structure. This concludes the training video on the IBMS renaming function. If you have any questions or need further information, please visit www.globalei.com or contact us. Thank you.